Take the next left onto Obley
Yeah, I
Road.
don't know. Clever.
Clever.
They'd climatise.
In 500 metres, turn right onto Western Plains Zoo Drive.
Go slow.
In 200 metres, at the roundabout, take the first exit.
Or is this Jurassic Park? Look how big these gates are.
This is Jurassic Park, Jackson. Yeah. What do you want to see at the zoo today, Jackson? It's got a horn.
Rhinos.
Where's the lions, Jackson?
What animal do you want to see?
All the animals.
Alright, day 2. Here we go, we're at Dubbo Zoo. We've got a chauffeur today.
Hi!
And it's pouring rain, so we've jumped in the car and we're just going to go drive it. So, yeah, here we go. Taronga is home to over 4,000 animals and over 350 species. First of all, we went to the meerkat, but we could only have 3 people for the meerkat encounter. So if you wanted to do that, you would need to get there very early to book it, or book prior.
Wait, what's the baby? What's the baby rhino, Mom? What's the baby rhino? See that rhino? What's the baby rhino?
The black rhino is the 3rd biggest out of the 5 different breeds of the rhinoceros. They've also got poor vision.
They're coming because they know it's time for the
at these big units. This one's actually, I know, it's got a bit of a hairdo going on there. It's pretty good. It's got more hair than me anyhow. Classic.
Go on, put a show on for us.
Wow, he's a strong looking fella, isn't he?
He's putting a show on. He keeps looking over here like... He's itchy. He's got itchy.